Hi, all of you. Welcome back to our channel, Bulletin Board. News at a glance. Today's news is from the world of entertainment. A video that has gone viral on social media shows an elephant in West Bengal's Hooghly district going on a rampage. The clip appears to have been captured on a CCTV camera installed outside a shop or residence. The video shared on Fun Viral Vid's Twitter handle has garnered over 2 lakh views. Now look at the video. In the video, you can see numerous people lined up outside what appears to be a medical store in West Bengal's Arambagh. As the video progresses, you suddenly see there is a massive commotion and people start to disperse from the location. Then arrives the elephant and charges towards the shop. People standing there were absolutely shocked. The elephant then tramples on the scooter parked outside the store and leaves. That's all for today. Thank you and enjoy your weekend.